Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Sunpass purchase is probably one of the most convenient ways to breeze through Florida toll roads. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about purchasing a Sunpass, from the different transponder options to where you can buy them and how to set them up. Whether you're a Florida resident or just visiting, having a Sunpass can save you time and hassle, so let's get started and find the best option for you. Number 5. Apple AirTag 4-pack. Losing things is a thing of the past. This little gadget helps you keep track of your items alongside your friends and devices in the Find My app. It's easy to use and very helpful. Setting up is a breeze. With just one tap, it instantly connects with your iPhone or iPad. You'll be ready to go in seconds. Misplaced your keys? No problem. You can play a sound on the built-in speaker to help you find them, or simply ask Siri for help. It's that easy. For those times when it's really close, use precision finding with ultra-wideband technology to lead you right to it, on select iPhone models. It's like having a personal guide. Even if it's not nearby, you can still find it. With the help of hundreds of millions of Apple devices in the Find My network, you're sure to find it. If you lose something, put it into lost mode. You'll be automatically notified when it's detected in the Find My network. It's a smart way to get your things back. Your privacy is important. All communication with the Find My network is anonymous and encrypted. Location data and history are never stored on it. What we like. This little gadget is perfect for anyone who tends to misplace their belongings. It seamlessly integrates with your existing Apple devices, making it incredibly easy to locate your keys, wallet, or anything else you attach it to. If you are always on the go and need a reliable way to keep track of your essentials, you should consider this. What people say. AirTags are so easy to use. They're very functional and the quality is great. They are not bulky at all, so they're easy to put in places. They connect well from my phone and it's very easy to track my belongings. These work great. We also felt peace of mind being able to track where our suitcases were in the airport. Extremely accurate. When you're nearby, the precision finding feature, with an iPhone, literally points you right to the item. Number 4. Uniden R3, Extreme Range Laser Radar Detector. This detector offers industry-leading performance. It's designed with advanced false alert filtering, making it the top choice for drivers seeking maximum protection against speeding tickets. With its GPS, the R3 can remember and mute common false alerts. This feature is especially useful on your regular routes, so you won't hear the same false alerts repeatedly. The device comes preloaded with red light and speed camera locations. Free database and firmware updates ensure that it stays current, providing you with up-to-date information. The multicolor OLED display is easy to read and shows more information at once. This enhances your overall awareness while driving. It provides voice warnings for hands-free operation and clear communication. The voice alerts are customizable to suit your driving style, allowing you to stay focused on the road without distractions. What we like. This device offers top-tier protection against speeding tickets with its incredible range and advanced filtering. It remembers and mutes false alerts, saving you from unnecessary distractions. If you are a frequent driver who values peace of mind and wants to avoid unwanted surprises, you should consider this. What people say. It works very well, picking up both K and Ka band for up to miles away on the freeways, a very generous distance during city driving. The laser feature also works very well and is a tone that quickly gets your attention. This device is also very user-friendly, simple to use. I learned all of the features within the first week, and let me tell you, the mute memory feature is a lifesaver with the constant K-band interference you are bound to run into. Number 3. Toll Tag Mounting Kit with 3M Adhesive. This kit is designed to securely mount your toll tag, Easy Pass, or Sunpass. It utilizes strong interlocking mushroom-shaped heads for a reliable hold. Installation is simple with the peel and stick application. The adhesive is water-resistant and works well on various surfaces like metal, glass, and plastics. The kit includes 8 dual-lock adhesive strips and an alcohol prep pad. This ensures a strong bond and thorough surface cleaning before application. This mounting kit is temperature resistant up to 200 degrees, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It outperforms common double-sided tapes. Unlike suction cup holders, this kit provides a long-lasting bond. You can be confident that it won't shake, rattle, or fall off. What we like. This mounting kit offers a secure and hassle-free solution for attaching your toll tag. The strong adhesive ensures it stays in place, while the water and temperature resistance makes it durable in various conditions. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install solution that withstands the elements, you should consider this. What people say. Sunpass works great. I have had zero issues with it. It is easy to install. Number 2. Zeyitian Easy Pass Holder, Clear 1 Pack. This Zeyitian Easy Pass holder is specifically designed for the Easy Pass Mini. It's the perfect size for the most common model, ensuring a secure fit. Please note that it is not compatible with other models. The holder makes it easy to transfer your Easy Pass between vehicles. It's perfect for rental cars or road trips. The strong suction cups keep it securely attached without leaving any residue. This holder is made of premium ABS plastic and strong TPU. It's built to last and is environmentally friendly, making it a smart choice for the long term. The holder protects your Easy Pass from water damage and UV fading. It keeps your pass safe and functional in any weather, ensuring consistent performance. Installing the holder is quick and easy. Simply place your device in the holder and attach it to your windshield with the suction cups. No sticky strips or adhesives are needed. Our customer service team is always ready to help with any questions. We are dedicated to resolving your issues within 24 hours, ensuring a worry-free experience. What we like. This holder is specifically designed for the Easy Pass Mini, making it a perfect fit. The easy transfer design is ideal for those who switch vehicles frequently. If you are looking for a convenient and residue-free way to mount your Easy Pass, you should consider this. What people say. The suction cups provide a secure and reliable hold, ensuring the pass stays firmly in place without slipping. Fits Easy Pass great, looks sleek with my black interior and blends well. Strong suction cup keeps it attached to windshield. Suction cups are pretty strong. I have yet to have this fall off while driving, and I live near downtown Pittsburgh where it's potholes for days. Number 1. MetaQuest 2 256GB all-in-one VR headset. This is the MetaQuest 2. It's an advanced all-in-one virtual reality headset. It offers a smooth and seamless experience with a super-fast processor and high-resolution display. Experience total immersion. The headset features 3D positional audio, hand tracking, and haptic feedback. These features work together to make virtual worlds feel incredibly real. Explore over 250 titles. There are games, fitness apps, social experiences, and entertainment options. You'll find exclusive releases and unique VR experiences. Travel to different universes. You can experience blockbuster fantasies, thrilling horror adventures, or collaborate in innovative workspaces. The possibilities are endless. Come together in social spaces and multiplayer arenas. You can enjoy live events with friends and family. Find your workout crew or join quests with fellow adventurers. Be truly free to roam in VR. It's a wireless headset with intuitive controls and a built-in battery. Setup is easy, and no PC or console is needed. What we like. This headset offers a truly immersive virtual reality experience with its high-resolution display and 3D audio. With a vast library of games and experiences, it provides endless entertainment options. If you are looking to dive into the world of VR with a user-friendly and feature-rich headset, you should consider this. What people say. I work up a sweat and can choose as many workouts as I want. There are so many games and apps and things to do and see, a lot of it free, it is hard to figure out what to try and do. You can make boundaries for your world and be warned if out of bounds so you don't knock into things like chairs, beds, plants, cables, other stuff. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.